put it simply, a paradigm is a mental program that has almost exclusive control over all of our habitual behavior. And almost all of our behavior is habitual. So what I'm saying is, a paradigm is controlling your life. You can be the hardest worker, you can work all day and night, but if your paradigm doesn't change, your life is pretty much going to stay the same year after year. There's only two ways to change your paradigm. One is by repetition. So if you hear something enough times, whether it's positive or negative, you'll start to believe it. It'll sink into your subconscious. It's the reason why on commercials where they say, buy now, 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 you're more likely to take action because you're believing it. I'm funny? Repetition is the master of learning. That's why I say things in my videos a few times just so that we do catch on to it. The brain can't absorb 100% of the material. That's why if you're reading a book or watching a movie, for the second or third time, you start to see those things that you've never saw before. Sometimes we call that selective hearing. Hey, where did you say that special milk was? Oh, almond milk. Oh yeah, I'm in the parking lot now. Repetition is extremely important in changing your paradigm. And doing repetitive things, it may seem illogical, and your brain will actually categorize it as illogical. But that illogical movement, or reading a book more than one time, it starts to sink in. So put a phrase on your desk or on your home screen that you're gonna read every single day out loud. It's not enough to put on there, Boss Babe or Top Gun. You gotta put exactly what you want. I am funny. Through repetition, you can master anything. You can become anything. And that's why there's long lines of poverty in families, long lines of health problems in families, because that's all the families talked about on repeat was health problems, poverty, lack of. So it wired the child's paradigm to be conscious of no money, health problems. You see what I'm saying? So if we can repetitively get around the people who repetitively talk about health, wealth, happiness, abundance, we can bring those bad results that we've had for so long and get good results by repetitively talking about it. And the second way to change a paradigm is the personal experience with an emotional impact. All you have to do, just once, is do what someone tells you that you can't do, and you'll never pay attention to their limitations again. Never listen to the people who don't have the results that you're looking for. So this is it, huh? This is the job you're telling me about?
This is it. Hard work. Hard work. Make your way right up to the top. The pay is good. You're gonna hate yourself in a few days, but pay is good. Your soul will literally leave your body the longer you're here. Benefits are there. I think there's insurance. Overtime. You got overtime. You get overtime where you're at now. Look at my life. Look at my life. You want a piece of this? Maybe you want a piece of the good life? This is it right here. This is the key to the good life.
I am funny.
He is kind of funny. Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill, get in here. Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill. 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 Remember that guy that was in here the other day? Yeah, he's pretty funny.
I'm forever studying the people who have the results that I'm looking for, and the learning never stops.